singing something blue. And for every single fool whose heart has been broken in two, I'm not trying to hit on you, I just appreciate what you do, 'cause this is what angels must sound like. This is what 2 cups of coffee will do to a girl. Sing your song, open your heart, expose it all to the whole wide world. It's the rich folks you wanna harmonize. There's something secret, I can only ask why. It's the gravity with this affair. Oh snap, it's the shoes that you wear. You may always be apart from me, but your song will always be a part of me, 'cause this is what angels must sound like. Before your tour goes across the land, promise me an audition in your band. If I face the facts over a backstage pass, I promise I won't try to touch your ass. The one with all the inlay. I'm not trying to hit on you, I just appreciate what musicians do. Yes, this is what angels must sound like. You gotta let go, you gotta let go, you gotta let go, you gotta let go. This is what angels must sound like. I saw you on the tube, you were singing something blue. Now everything's gonna be alright, 'cause this is what angels must